There is a home that's waiting for each of us, unique as the day is tonight. Each feels so different, each feels the same. Each time we hear our own name, love won't go us by. There is a home with warm arms to hold us when dark clouds begin.